Listen everybody, today I'm talking to you for one reason, one subject. All it is about the highway. Yes, fucking highway. My friend Turkey, he will send you a small story about him, the car, and the highway.
Yeah. Hello everybody. Everything started last week. I was in vacancies. I was with Badr. We drank some alcohol. Yeah, we drank some alcohol. And then we pursued our night in a cabaret. Before meeting El Chino, we were craving for marijuana. There was no marijuana. But El Chino gave us marijuana. I was drunk. I was high. I was drunk. I was motherfucker drunk. Then I fucking decided to go back home alone. To drive my fucking car alone. I was speeding up in the highway. It was like 120, 140, 150. Yeah, I was speeding up. I was motherfucker speeding up, going up Ray. And the fact is, I hit the ground before hitting the tree. I escaped death. I was so ill, so sick. I went back home. My mama told me, "Hey son, what's wrong with the car? Hey son." I told her, "Mom, I'm so fucking drunk." I told her, "Mom, I'm motherfucking drunk." I told her, "Mommy, just forgive me. Mommy, just fucking forgive me." It was too late. It was too late. It was too late. The damage was made. And mama was screwed up. My daddy had a heart attack. God, it was fucking late. I couldn't change the things. Everything was done. It was too late. It was too late. I was drunk. My dad is sick in the hospital. If I got an answer to tell you, my friend, just listen to this. I won't tell you about alcohol and the speedy highway. Never drink, never drive. Never drink, never motherfucker drive. Hey, 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 never drive whilst you are drunk.